In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete MetaMask wallet. In this walkthrough, we're removing a wallet from your MetaMask portfolio and disconnecting it from the dashboard. This is a safe way to tidy up accounts you no longer use. Keep in mind, deleting here does not erase assets on the blockchain or destroy your secret recovery phrase. It simply removes the wallet from your portfolio view and stops its connection. If you still have funds on that address, move them first and always make sure your recovery details are backed up securely. Start by opening your browser and going to Portfolio MetaMask EO. Use a trusted bookmark or type it carefully to ensure you're on the official site. Once the portfolio loads, look to the top right corner for the profile icon. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is where MetaMask groups key settings related to your portfolio. From that menu, select Accounts. This opens a page that lists the wallets connected to your MetaMask portfolio and provides controls for managing them. On this page, find and open the Disconnect Wallets area. This section is specifically designed for removing connections you no longer need, which is exactly what we want. Locate the wallet you want to remove in the list. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by checking the label or the address preview. When you're certain, click the three dots to the right of that wallet. Those three dots open a small actions menu for that specific account and give you the option to manage or remove it without affecting your other wallets. From the actions menu, click Remove Account. MetaMask will typically ask you to confirm since removing an account is a meaningful change. Confirm the removal and the wallet will immediately disappear from your accounts list and no longer be connected to your portfolio. Your assets, if any, remain on chain. You're simply disconnecting the portfolio interface from displaying and using that wallet. If you ever need it again, you can reconnect or re-add the same address later using your usual MetaMask methods. That's all there is to it. You went to MetaMask Portfolio, opened the Profile menu, selected Accounts, used the Disconnect Wallets area, opened the three-dot menu next to the right wallet, and removed the account. Simple, clean, and reversible if you need to reconnect in the future. As a final tip, always double-check you're removing the intended wallet and keep your secret recovery phrase stored offline in a safe place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your MetaMask portfolio organized and secure.